Okay, so I'll start with click to start and end of the program, and I will add if else. So there are two cases when the result of the mod is 0 or 1, and then I'll make two functions, which is draw a short line and draw a long line. And then I will this function first case and short case here. Any questions so far? So it's just the structure issue. And then to use mod, so kind of like, so we need a number for this one, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what we need a variable. It's up to you, but I just called it as index. And we need to set the index at the beginning to 0, that's fine. How can I update the value of index? Yes, we need to change index by 1. So far, okay, let's just do once. I'm going to use repeat later, but so far now, I just explain it conditional, so I'll do this one way. And then mod is actually in operator. So here, mod is here. And then what I'm going to use is actually this one, equal sign. What does that mean is, if 1 is equal to 1, what will be the result? So, and then, okay, let's finish draw a short line and long line here. So I want to draw a line. How can I draw a line? Just simply pen down, pen up, and then probably draw start point and end point. So probably let's say 0 to 0 to 0 to 0 to maybe 100. I'll duplicate it. But this one is a long line, so I'll draw 200. So which one this code will draw if I click the green flag? Do you think it will draw short line or long line? Yeah, it will only draw short line. What does that mean? Because this condition, if the condition is met, which is true, this will draw this one, and it will terminate. So the important thing about the condition is that only one will run. So in flowchart, I really didn't explain the flowchart. The flowchart of sequence is actually look like this. So sequence is function 1 and function 2 and function 3. So it is kind of like a kind of sequence. It does look like this. And conditional, there's a condition here. If this condition is true, do something, do run function 1. If this condition is false, do something else and meet together. What does that mean? This code will only run one of these two functions. So basically at the end, what does this condition mean? Same thing with sequential. Just this one only run one of those two. But basically this one is the same thing with sequence. And for your reference, repetition is actually look like this. If certain condition is met, which is I will show later, and then you will run a kind of function repeatedly and going back to the beginning. And then if it ends, it goes to next. So the F will be repeated. This one is repetition, the flowchart of repetition. So I'll just delete it. So if I run it, it will draw short one only once. But I want to draw repeatedly, again, short and long one. How can I do that? I just cut here.